going to present my topic mechanical characteristics of FRP and CFRP in geopolymer concrete and its impact of curing techniques. So, geopolymer concrete offers sustainable alternatives to concrete, superior mechanical properties and environmental benefits, and the integration of fiber reinforced polymer and carbon reinforced polymer into the geopolymer concrete make an advancement in construction strategies. This research explores the mechanical characteristics of FRP and CFRP. So this was my research question. What are the mechanical characteristics and structural behavior of fiber reinforced polymer and carbon reinforced polymer within geopolymer concrete frameworks, and how do varying curing techniques affect their resilience and capacity to withstand loads? For that, we made specimens from using fly ash, GGBS and alkaline activators and aggregates. 70% of fly ash and 30% of GGBS were used, and activator to binding ratio was 0.35 to 0.45, and a concrete mix was made and using vibrating table and compacting rod, and the mold was casted. Cubes and cylinders were casted by dimension of 100 mm, 100 mm by 100 mm cubes and 150 by 150 by 600 mm cylinders. And the curing technique was used was ambient curing and oven curing, and the experimental test after curing was conducted. Mechanical testing, statical and dynamic load experiments to access load bearing capacity and fatigue resistance, and the comparison of specimens under different curing conditions were made. And the results were FRP and CFRP reinforced geopolymer exhibit significantly more compressive strength than conventional concrete, and the influence of curing conditions on compressive strength, and also the improvement in flexural strength and with inclusion of FRP and CFRP reinforcements. And there was an enhanced ductility and bending resistance observed in geopolymer concrete columns, and also there was an improvement in tensile properties of FRP and CFRP reinforcement, and it also reduced cracking propagation and improved tensile behavior. Also, it has a higher fatigue resistance of FRP and CFRP reinforced geopolymer concrete compared to the conventional concrete, and there was low deformation and retained structural integrity under cyclic loading conditions. So these are the main advantages and disadvantages of FRP and CFRP. The main advantages was significant improvement in compressive, flexural and tensile strength, and also higher fatigue resistance under dynamic loading conditions, and also environmental friendly due to the use of geopolymer concrete. And the main disadvantages were higher initial material cost as compared to the traditional reinforcements, and also the performance highly depends on its curing techniques, and also requires precise quality control during mixing and casting. So the main conclusions are FRP and CFRP significantly improves the compressive strength, flexural strength, tensile strength of the geopolymer concrete as compared to the conventional reinforcement concrete, and also that we can use continuous research to improve the curing methods. We can use different kinds of curing methods in future to improve the reinforcement, to improve the quality of reinforced concrete as compared to the traditional one, and the further research may optimize the performance and sustainability of geopolymer concrete framework. Thank you.